Museum of the Future. This is the exterior of unique shaped building. The Museum of the Future is a futuristic museum. This museum is located in the downtown Dubai, United Arab Emirates. The museum also hosts a range of events and conferences focused on future trends and technologies. The museum showcases the latest technologies and innovations in fields such as artificial intelligence, robotics, virtual reality, augmented reality, and biotechnology. Please note that admission tickets to the museum must be purchased in advance, at least 2 weeks before your planned visit. You can check the link below to buy the ticket to the Museum of the Future. This museum is connected to the Emirates Towers metro station. It is about 5 minutes walk from the metro station to the museum. Color-changing lighting. Unique shape inside the tunnel. Let's look at the map. After 5 minutes walk, this is the museum entrance through the metro. Stunning design on the roof. Visitor will not use this lift to go up. The visitor will use these lift from the highest floor to visit each floor below. Selfie time. Don't buy ticket at last minute. Please note that admission tickets to the museum must be purchased in advance, at least 2 weeks before your planned visit. You can check the link below to buy the ticket to the Museum of the Future. When we are at the counter redeeming our tickets, a flying drone appeared. The drone looks like a flying dolphini. Selfie time. The drone returns to its station. We received our admission tag. Walking to the line for the lift. Selfie time.
Welcome.
Scanning our tag.
Please come.
Entering the giant lift. This lift will take the visitors up to the highest floor. When the lift goes up, the monitor will display a presentation. The presentation will start soon.
Very shortly. Please direct your attention to the screen. Our digital president, Aya, she will give you some information about these flights. Please enjoy. Thank you so much.
Assalamu alaikum. Greetings everyone. My name is Aya. I'm a digital president of the Museum of the Future. Welcome to my home. Like everything you see here, I was envisioned by the Dubai Future Foundation and brought to life by storytellers, visionary technologists, and artists from around the world.
What do you think of this video? Comment below. Thank you for watching. Watch our other video of Museum of the Future activities. Check the link below for ticket. Please subscribe to receive updates on more videos.